I am Ari. We are at Computex 2018, and we came to visit Cooler Master. We're going to enter and meet Ron, who is our host for today. This is Ron.
Hi everybody, I'm Ron. I'm the marketing manager for Power Supply and Cooler Master. So, welcome to our lab.
Thank you.
So over here, this is where all the development is happening. So at the moment, the engineers are working on our upcoming platform. Over there, they're still modifying a little bit the last parts. In the room over here, this is where we got all the test equipment.
That's a heat chamber.
Yeah, this is the heat chamber. Right now, we're testing a power supply under 25 degrees. At the same time, we can test the efficiency, the ripple noise, all the stuff over here with the equipment.
This is a chroma station, 8000.
And in this corner, we can test EMI and EMC.
Moving on.
This equipment here is for high pots. We can test up to 4000 volts.
And the most useful tool,
The hammer.
here. A drill. Some pads here. Lots of pads actually. So you are testing your platforms here.
Yes,
the master
indeed.
platform.
This is actually where we are developing and testing our own platform. With help of cybernetics, we try to improve, of course, anything. So, yeah, that's actually basically our lab. So, thank you for visiting.
Thank you for having us here.